Hey everybody, just a quick video here for those of you who are having trouble finding and posting your link for your Blogspot. What you'll do is after you've created your account, you should have a screen something like this. This is mine. This is your dashboard. And when you get to the dashboard, there's a link up here in the corner, upper left-hand corner, says View Blog. So you should click on that. And then here's my blog, but the address that you're going to want to get is actually up here. I don't know if you can see this, but the address is in the bar right now, the URL. It will be the address that you created. So you just highlight this, copy it, okay, and then you want to go to the blog links place. Where is that? Here. And this is what you're going to paste here. You see Monica is having a little bit of a hard time, so if I click here and I reply to her, if I post mine here, here is my link, and I post it here, paste it. But then also if I want to make it clickable, you highlight it again, click on the link, and paste it again here so that it's clickable, and say insert link. You can do that or not do that. It just makes it easier for the others to click on it and view it. But I'm going to be transferring this to that blog page anyway. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and then you just make sure that you, hang on, you want to make sure that you post your reply. Okay? And then it's all done. See, my link is right there. So, Monica, that's what you would do.